Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to get to Lake Agnes Tea House. Alright? Dito po kami nag-start sa Lake Louise and it takes about 2 to 3 hours to complete to get there. But we have to pass the Mirror Lake and the Big Beehive. And this is a very popular area for birding, hiking, and running. So, you'll likely encounter other people while exploring. Oh, what a lovely waterfalls. This is the stairs, guys. A 57 stairs to get into Lake Agnes Tea House. Nakakapagod talaga guys, pero sige lang, go nang go. This is it guys. Dito na kami sa Lake Agnes Tea House. And this is our first family hike to Lake Agnes Tea House. And we love it so much. Take a break muna kasi pagod na pagod kami. Oh wow, what amazing place. Great views. Ang ganda talaga guys. Pang Instagrammable talaga guys. Ito pala ang Lake Agnes Tea House guys. They offer food like bread, a cup of soup, and a dessert, also tea and hot chocolate. The staff are really incredible and you will not regret it. They accept card payment as well as the cash. It's really a great view guys from the cabin onto Lake Agnes. We enjoy relaxing at the tea house after the hike. And nag-order po kami ng hot chocolates. Oh, it tastes good guys. You must try the hot chocolates. Have you noticed guys, naka-jacket kami. Even though this is summertime, pero ang lamig pa rin dito sa Lake Agnes Tea House. Ito palang Lake Agnes was named originally First Lady of Canada, Lady Agnes MacDonald, the wife of Canada's first Prime Minister. The Lake Agnes Tea House was originally built in 1901 by the Canadian Pacific Railway as a refuge for hikers and started serving tea in 1905. Its cozy and romantic atmosphere, one of the best at top of mountains hike and trek to reach here, and the best place ever. Such an incredible experience guys. For me to visit the Lake Agnes Tea House is an epic. It's stunning and beautiful place. It's worth it to visit. Buti na lang guys, hindi masyadong maraming tao dito kasi maaga kami dumating dito sa Lake Agnes Tea House. That's the good thing. We enjoy the moment to see the great view of this beautiful place. Before we go back to Lake Louise, picture muna kami. Pabalik na kami guys. Now we are using the same route. Dadaan pa rin kami ng stairs. Pauwi. Go mommy, go Adi, go go go.
No.
Malapit na tayo guys, don't worry. This is it. This is really is. The Lake Louise. Ang ganda talaga ng Lake Louise guys, kahit anong anggulo. Ma-left ka man, ma-right, middle, or anywhere, still beautiful. The stunning Fremont Chateau Lake Louise. The gorgeous Lake Louise. This place is a must place to visit. It's really worth it. Hindi kayo magsisisi. You will love it and enjoy this place. And I'm so glad napunta namin itong Lake Louise kasi this is one of our bucket list. Hindi ka talaga hindi magpa-picture dito sa Lake Louise guys kasi ang ganda talaga ng lugar and amazing views. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.